listen now, folks, in this wind, we'll be actually able to hear the sound of silent flight. You'll hear the wind and nothing but the wind. No engine noise at all. As you can see, the prop is just basically flopping around in the wind and the breeze. He cannot restart it. He has not stopped doing aerobatics since he shut it off. Let's just listen to the airplane right now. Listen to this when it comes around. The sound of flight, ladies and gentlemen, listen to that. And as a pilot, that's a sound you never really want to hear. You'd rather hear that engine, but he cannot start it. He has now got to manage. As he turns, he introduces drag to the airplane and slows it down. As he tries to level, that's more drag. He's got to look, it's a tail dragger. He's got to set the wheels down. That's a lot of drag. Can he pinpoint this? Can he accurately put it into Bernie's hand without knocking the poor guy over? Couple of fights. Stand your ground, Bernie, be brave! Don't you move! Wind, aerobatics, no engine, managing energy. Perfect!